If I have learned anything in my time traveling the world, it is the power of hope. What started here will indeed have changed the world for the better. Nothing mattered but your will to succeed, not your color, not your ethnic background, not your education, not your social status. If a shark begins to circle your position, stand your ground. Do not swim away. Do not act afraid. And punch him in the snout, and he will turn and swim away. If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. If you can't do the little things right, you'll never be able to do the big things right.
I am Al Gore. I used to be the next president of the United States.
Vous savez quelle différence il y a entre un con et un voleur?
Non.
Un voleur, de temps en temps, ça se repose.
Oh, tu sais, quand les types de 130 kilos disent certaines choses, ceux de 60 kilos les écoutent.
The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky.
I admire your luck, Mr.
Bond. James Bond.
On a pris des décisions pour réformer l'impôt des sociétés. On a abaissé le taux de l'impôt des sociétés.
Les pauvres, c'est fait pour être très pauvres et les riches, très riches.
Nous avons la main après les élections, supposons que ce soit au fédéral. Nous mènerons des négociations pour faire un gouvernement sans la NVA. C'est clair.
Tu mens, tu mens, tu mens. Il ment, il ment.
Moi, je suis à côté des agriculteurs.
La récolte a été très mauvaise, alors il faut payer le double.
Je pense que nos agriculteurs doivent être soutenus.
Vous faites comme d'habitude, vous promettez tout et moi je ne donne rien.
185 000 emplois supplémentaires ont été créés.
Mon programme, 3 points. Premièrement, le plein emploi. Deuxièmement, le plein emploi. Et troisièmement, le plein emploi.
Moi, je ne donne pas de conseils à un collègue.
20 mètres cadets et 20 mètres petits frères, ça commence bien.
3 ans et quelques mois après ma prise de fonction, des résultats très tangibles sont maintenant ressentis.
Tu mens, tu mens, tu mens. Il ment, il ment. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing ground, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills. We shall fight on the seas and ocean. We shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall never surrender! Surrender! Da, da. We shall go on to the end!
You see, in this world, there's 2 kinds of people, my friend. Those with loaded guns and those who dig. You dig.
Go ahead, make my day.
L'intérêt supérieur de la patrie commande à tous les Français libres de continuer le combat. L'intérêt supérieur de la patrie commande à tous les Français libres de continuer le combat.
Française, Français.
If you don't read the newspaper, you're uninformed. If you do read it, you're misinformed. What is the long-term effect of too much information? One of the effects is the need to be first, not even to be true anymore.
People have to understand, are you using your device or is your device using you? Can you put it down? Can you turn it off?
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Vous seriez mis en examen, est-ce que vous seriez candidat?
Non, je ne serai pas candidat.
Que je serai convoqué afin d'être mis en examen. Oui, je serai candidat à la présidence de la République.
Alors moi, il m'épate.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Be proud of you.
Yes, my lord.
Because you can be.
Yes, my lord.
Do.
Yes, my lord.
What we want to do.
But I beg your pardon, my lord, but in my opinion, I am sure, mais alors I am tout à fait sure, que c'est un coup de fantôme.
Where in hell are you from anyway, Private? Sir, Texas, sir! Holy dog shit, Texas, only steers and queers come from Texas, Private Cowboy. And you don't much look like a steer to me, so that kind of narrowed it down.
Je pense que quand on mettra les cons sur orbite, t'as pas fini de tourner.
They may torture my body, break my bones, even kill me. Then they will have my dead body, not my obedience.
I know the human being and fish can coexist peacefully. I understand small business growth.
I was one.
I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood.
Ici, long. Les Français parlent aux Français. Les sanglots longs des violons de l'automne blessent mon cœur d'une langueur monotone.
And Inspector Callahan.
Callahan?
Excuse me, Captain. I know this may sound silly, but can you fly? Nope. Never had a lesson.
Ich bin ein Berliner. Ich bin ein Berliner. Berliner.
From Dallas, Texas, the flash, apparently official, President Kennedy died at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, some 38 minutes ago.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
La connerie à ce point-là, moi, je dis que ça devient gênant.
Les cons, ça ose tout. Et c'est même à ça qu'on les reconnaît.
Happy birthday to you. Vous avez déjà vu ça? En pleine paix. Il chante et puis il craque un bourre-pif. Il est complètement fou, ce mec. Mais moi, les dingues, je les soigne. On va lui faire une ordonnance et une sévère. Je vais lui montrer qui c'est Raoul. Aux quatre coins de Paris qu'on va le retrouver éparpillé par petits bouts façon puzzle. Moi, quand on m'en fait trop, je correctionne plus. Je dynamite.
I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
It is wrong, deadly wrong, to deny any of your fellow Americans the right to vote in this country.
L'honnêteté m'oblige à vous dire que je ne suis pas socialiste. À l'époque, j'étais pas de gauche.
Oui, enfin bon, alors, admettons ce mensonge.
Je ne suis pas au Parti socialiste.
Tu mens! Tu mens! Tu mens! Il ment! Il ment!
Somewhere I read that the greatness of America is the right to protest far right.
I have some very sad news for all of you, and I think sad news for all of our fellow citizens and people who love peace all over the world. And that is that Martin Luther King was shot and was killed tonight.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people.
I shall resign the presidency effective at noon tomorrow.
Well, I'm not a crook.
I don't know if you know this, but my ears were one of the inspirations for Shrek. I am told that the last 3 speakers here have been the Pope, Her Majesty the Queen, and Nelson Mandela, which is either a very high bar or the beginning of a very funny joke. I'm asking you to believe, not in my ability to bring about change, but in yours.
I saw 3 of these dusters a short time ago. They were waiting for a train. Inside the dusters, there were 3 men. So? Inside the men, there were 3 bullets.
You're always trying to make me look stupid.
Yeah, no, you need help.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy, I ask that the Congress declare a state of war.
I'm Winston Wolfe. I solve problems.
I will not make age an issue of this campaign. I am not going to exploit, for political purposes, my opponent's youth and inexperience. Well, he said, am I crazy, or did the chicken have 3 legs? He says, yep. How does it taste? He says, I don't know. I've never been able to catch one. If it was not for the elders correcting the mistakes of the young, there would be no state.
As Henry VIII said to
each one of his 6 wives. I won't keep you long.
Donald Trump, he's a punk, he's a dog, he's a pig. Donald Trump, he's a punk, he's a dog, he's a pig. Donald Trump, he's a con, a bullshit artist, a mutt who doesn't know what he's talking about. Donald Trump, well, I'd like to punch him in the face. I'd like to punch him in the face. Donald Trump, he's an idiot. Colin Powell said it best. He's a national disaster. Donald Trump, he's an embarrassment to this country, this fool, this bozo. Donald Trump.
Let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
This is how one song can change your life. That was completely and utterly stunning.
This was brilliant.
106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it.
There is fate, but it only takes you so far because once you're there, it's up to you to make it happen.
They didn't know it was impossible, so they did it.
In less than 2 years, my administration has accomplished more than almost any administration in the history of our country.
In South Korea, internet addiction is classified along with alcohol, cigarettes, and gambling as an addiction. 92% of 2-year-olds play video games because that is what parents are putting in front of their precious children to keep them entertained and quiet. Right now, a family is out to dinner.
And reply.
Previously on Viking.
You're really going to abandon me without even saying a word?
You insult and humiliate me. I have no choice but to leave you and to force you.
I don't want you to go.
Previously on Vikings.
Why did you have to die? We had so much more to talk about. I always believed that death is a fate far better than life.
You want something, go get it, period.
بغصن الزيتون في يدي وببندقية الثائر في يدي فلا تسقط الغصن الأخضر من يدي لا تسقط الغصن الأخضر من يدي.
Yes, we can. At a time when women's voices were silenced and their hopes dismissed, she lived to see them stand up and speak out and reach for the ballot. Yes, we can.
Size matters not. Look at me. Judge me by my size, do you?